Yo, what's up everybody, it's your boy Travel Talks here. We've all been there, stuck in economy, crammed in like sardines. But guess what, it doesn't have to be that way. We're talking about conquering those long-haul flights in economy. Think of this as your personal survival guide to emerging from that metal tube looking and feeling like $1,000,000. Let's do this. First things first people, we gotta talk strategy. Not all airplane seats are created equal, and choosing the right one can make or break your flight. Window seat? Prime real estate for sleeping, plus you get that epic view above the clouds. Aisle seat? Your ticket to freedom. Easy access to the bathroom, stretch those legs whenever you want. Pro tip, avoid the back of the plane like the plague. That's where the bathrooms are, which means lines, smells, and constant noise. And if you really want to up your seat game, check out Seat Guru. It's a lifesaver. Look, I know you want to look fly when you travel, but trust me, comfort is king when you're stuck on a plane for hours on end. We're talking loose-fitting clothes, breathable fabrics, and layers, people, layers. Airplane temperatures can be unpredictable. Compression socks might not be the sexiest travel accessory, but they are a game changer, especially for those long-haul flights. And for the love of all that is holy, bring a hoodie. Seriously, you'll thank me later, plus you can use it as a makeshift pillow in a pinch. Airplane cabins are drier than a popcorn fart in the desert. Staying hydrated is crucial if you want to survive those long flights without feeling like a dried-up prune. And no, those tiny cups of airplane water ain't gonna cut it. Bring an empty reusable water bottle with you to the airport. Once you're through security, fill that bad boy up at a water fountain. Aim to drink at least 1 cup of water every hour. Your body will thank you. Ever wonder why airlines serve food at the weirdest times? They're actually trying to help you adjust to your destination's time zone. When they offer you food, eat it. Eating on their schedule will help minimize jet lag and keep your energy levels up. Trust me, your body will thank you when you land. Pro tip, if you're a picky eater, consider bringing your own snacks. Listen, packing your own snacks is a must for any long-haul flight. Think trail mix, granola bars, fruit, nuts, anything that will give you a boost of energy without weighing you down. And for the love of all that is good, avoid anything too salty or sugary. Airplane bloat is real, people. Pro tip, pack your snacks in a reusable container or bag. Sitting still for hours on end is basically torture, but don't worry, there's a solution: movement. Just get up and walk around every couple of hours. Stretch your legs, do some ankle rolls, neck stretches, anything to get your blood flowing. Pro tip. If you're feeling really ambitious, try doing some light exercises in your seat. Let's be real. In-flight entertainment can be a mixed bag. Before you leave for the airport, download a bunch of movies, shows, podcasts, audiobooks, whatever tickles your fancy. Having your own entertainment will make those long flights fly by, pun intended. And don't forget your headphones. Sleep. The holy grail of long-haul flights. First, invest in a good travel pillow. If it helps you sleep, it's worth it. Next, get yourself an eye mask and some earplugs. This will block out any light and noise and help you create a more sleep-conducive environment. And finally, when the flight attendants come around with blankets, ask for 2. Just make sure you buckle your seatbelt over the blanket so they don't wake you up during turbulence checks. About an hour before landing, it's time to ditch the "I slept on a plane" look and transform yourself back into a presentable human being. Head to the bathroom and do your thing. Brush your teeth, wash your face, apply some moisturizer or lip balm. Basically, anything you can do to feel a little less gross after hours of recycled air and questionable smells. Pro tip. If you're a contact lens wearer, consider switching to glasses for the flight. And there you have it. 9 killer tips to help you not just survive but thrive on your next long-haul flight in economy. Remember, a little preparation goes a long way, and with the right mindset and a few key items, you can turn that cramped plane seat into a haven of comfort. So next time you're dreading that 10-hour flight, don't panic. Safe travels, my friends, and I'll see you in the next video.